Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today as you read below, I'll be doing a transformation or a thrift or whatever it's called, blah blah blah. Anyways, before we get into this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, comment below if you like this video. Also, get this to 100 likes and follow me on my socials. Let's begin. Okay guys, this is what I am working with. This is an old sweater that I think deserve a new makeover. So okay, I'm gonna start off by cutting off the bottom part of my sweater. So I'm just gonna use that as my waistband and also put it on top of my blouse. Also, I just cut out my skirt. I did not realize that was not videoing right, so this is after I cut out the skirt. And make sure you use allowance. So I'm just going to use the first piece to cut out the front part of the skirt. Guys, make sure you, as I said, make sure you use allowance. After I use the first piece as a reference to cut out the front part of the skirt, make sure you cut out the zipper because we won't be needing that. We're just going to join it together, and that is it. So now I start on the sleeve because I'm going to use the sleeve to make my top. So I'm just, because this is not a big size sweater, I have to use up every single fabric that I get. So this is me just improvising and using up the sleeve because the sleeves were actually big. So yeah, either that or the hoodie. So yeah, I have to choose. After cutting out the sleeve, I use one of my bra as a reference to cut out the shape of whatever I wanted. I don't know what's the word. Anyways, this is how it turned out. So okay guys, first off I'm going to start by stitching my top. For the waist, the what I call it, the band of the bottom part of my top, I'll be attaching more fabric, so don't mind that. For my skirt, first I'm going to stitch the sides, then afterwards I'm going to attach on the waistband onto the skirt. So I'm just going to do that. Okay guys, so I am on the machine and I'm using straight stitch. Make sure you stitch back or reverse stitch when when you reach the end of the fabric, so the fabric don't pull out on you. Okay. Okay, so this is the finish of my outfit, and I must say it is quite a transformation. For the end of my skirt, I did not stitch it. All I did was fold it. That is it, guys. That is it for this video. I hope you like what I made because I liked it. Whatever. Anyways, until my next video,